here are the new things they added in the new update. So in the seeds, so if we look below, there's a new seed called giant pinecone seed. So I don't know if this is worth it if you buy it, but I don't know because it didn't stock. Next in the girl shop is there's like 3 things they added: medium toy, medium treat, then the level up lollipop. This is OP guys when you're aging your pets, but sadly though it only aged by 1. And they added new things in the crafting area too guys. So there's a horsetail, lingonberry, ember spine, grand vulcania, and I think that's it guys added in the crafting area guys. I think that's all guys. Bye.